welcome back to another L N Autocare video. In today's video I'm going to be restoring my first ever pair of headlights. As you can see, I had quite a difficult task in front of me as these headlights were extremely oxidized. But with the help from Autoglym's Headlight Restoration Kit, I'm sure we can get the job done. This was my first time ever using the Infinity Wax Synergy light. It's extremely easy to put on and to buff off. Overall, I'm extremely impressed with it, and we'll be trying it out on the car next. Not the best example, but as you can see, the headlight on the right is extremely cloudy, and the one on the left now, after using the Autoglym kit, is now nice and clear. Overall, the Autoglym Headlight Restoration Kit is extremely easy to use. The most difficult part was probably masking off the headlights. If you enjoy this sort of content, then please let me know down below, and subscribe and like, and thank you, and see you on the next one.